In this video, we're gonna learn how to edit a product from the Best Online software. Sometimes, we have wrong information of a product that needs to be added to a work order and that does not allow us to complete our transaction correctly.
An example of this could be if the list price of the product is not the one that we're offering to a client. Another scenario could be if the product is not categorized in the correct product type and we need to change this.
In this case, among others, we need to do a product adjustment. In order to do this, we need to go to our maintenance menu from the left side of the toolbar of our Best Online software. From here, we're going to click on the maintenance menu and it's going to show us different headlines with different tabs. We're going to look on the product headline and we're going to select the first tab that is called Products. After we click this, it's going to pop up a window with all the lists of the products that has been loaded to your system. Now, we need to find the product that needs to be adjusted. We can do this by searching among all the products one by one on each page, or we can search directly if we know our product number. We're going to type in the number and then we're going to click on our magnifying glass. Now let's say we don't know the entire number. We can try to type in the first numbers and the system will filter the products that are related to that number. Let's say we don't know the exact number for the all-season commercial tire, but we know that it starts with a 016 number. We're gonna type in 016 and then we're gonna click on the magnifying glass. The system will show us all the different products with the same starting number. Then, we're going to select our product and we're going to click on the pencil icon. A pop-up window will appear with the product information. It's going to show us different tabs at the top. We can find product information, pricing, alternative products, tires, other information, and mandated print requirements.
We're going to look on each tab in order to find the information that needs to be changed. Once we find it, we're going to proceed to make the necessary adjustments. In this example, the product is categorized on an incorrect product type. Product types are used to define special tax rules in tax level maintenance. These product types are assigned to account codes and product records. Now, we're gonna select the correct product type, which in this case, it corresponds to the tire category. We're also going to update the amount of the list price. The list price is located on the pricing tab at the top.
Now, we're going to type the correct amount, which in this case is going to be $152. Once we made all the adjustments needed, we're going to click on the Save icon located at the lower right corner.
Now there is some modification that once the product is added cannot be changed, such as manufacturer's code, sales class, and product number. If we want to edit this information, what we need to do is disable the product and add a new one. We're going to click on the Disable checkbox located on the right side of our window, and then we need to save the changes. Now that our product has been disabled, we can start adding a new product. We're going to click on the Add icon from the lower right corner and a new Add product window will display. From this, we need to type in all the information for a new product. Now there is some information that is mandatory to provide. These mandatory spaces are marked with the star symbol. Once we fill all the information, we're gonna click on the Save icon and now we have a new product.